My clean washer indicator light came on after I finished my last load of laundry yesterday. So that means before I can start a new wash today, I need to clean my washing machine. So let's take care of that. And I know you're probably saying to yourself, well, isn't the washing machine clean all the time? It's used to clean our clothing. Well, no, because you do put dirty clothing in there, your washing machine can get dirty. And because of the detergents that you use, there can be gunk and buildup that accumulates around the barrel or the drum of your washing machine and in some of the other parts. So you should clean your washing machine regularly. Now, what is regularly? That is at least once a month or every 30 days. And you might need to clean it more often depending upon how many loads of laundry you do. Now, you can clean your washing machine with a purchased product or something you already have at home, like bleach or vinegar. Not both. Either 1 cup of white vinegar or 1 cup of bleach, but you don't use the two of them together. And then you run your washing machine as usual. Most of your washing machines will have in their user's manual what they want you to use and how often to do it. And some of you are lucky enough to have a clean washer cycle on your machine that lets you know when it's time to clean your machine. I'm using a purchased product today, and I got it from the Grove Collaborative, and it is the Pure Sense Home Washing Machine Cleaner, and it is the fresh citrus scent. And I will admit, it smells like oranges. The directions say to spray the interior surfaces generously and then allow the product to sit for 30 minutes and then run the washing machine as usual. So that's important that you spray it on and let it sit so that the product can do its work, and then run your machine as usual. The other direction they give is to spray your washing machine down after each load for healthy, happy laundry. And while the clean washer cycle is running, I'm going to go ahead and clean the exterior of my washing machine, and I'll also just go ahead and wipe down the dryer because both of those appliances can get so dusty. And this will be one of my 15-minute tasks for the week. Well, the clean washer cycle is complete, so now I'm just going to wipe down the innards. I like to get in there and wipe those very top gaskets just to make sure everything's been taken care of. And we'll also clean up our detergent and fabric softener dispensers. You can get gunk and debris back in here. I use powdered detergent from time to time, and you can see there some residue of powdered detergent and some residue of my fabric softener or whatever I might have used in here. So since I'm cleaning the machine, I'm also going to take the time to clean that out. It's right over here where I get a lot of powder debris from my laundry soda. Now, one of the things that I've noticed about front-loading washers is that they often have a discoloration around the gaskets on the door. And this happens because those gaskets are like little pockets. And it gets warm in there, it gets damp, it gets dark, and it is a perfect breeding ground for bacteria and mold. So not only does this discoloration, this mold and mildew lead to discoloration, but it can also lead to nasty odors in your washer that can transfer to your clothing. And you need to dry those areas out after every wash day. So when you're cleaning your washing machine, it will be good to make sure that you spray around in there and then make sure it's good and dry. And something else that you can do is to leave the door open. Just leave it cracked a little bit so that it's dry in there and not damp and moist. Now, if you have littles, that could be a problem. But if your children are big enough that that's not a concern, then leave the door open. And even on your top loaders, you want to leave the top up. You'll notice that in most of my videos, when I'm in the laundry lab, I've got my top open unless I'm doing something specific with the top down. My washing machine is sparkling clean, and overall I am very pleased with the performance of this Pure Sense washing machine cleaner. Now, my heaviest washing season is in spring and summer when my husband is fishing and doing yard work and that kind of thing. But the grungiest, nastiest laundry comes from when he's fishing and then cleaning fish. I will tell you that I have found a fishtail at the bottom of the washing machine that probably came off of some of those grungy fishing rags that he uses. Now, when I wash his fishing rags, I will soak them in a bucket, get them relatively rinsed off before I put them in my washing machine. And after I've done a load of fishing rags or fishing towels, I will then clean the washing machine. But somehow or another, I found a fishtail at the bottom of my washing machine and other little bits that sometimes accumulate around the gasket. So that's why I say it is very important that you are cleaning your washing machine regularly, especially when you have certain kinds of laundry. Now, let me speak for a minute to those of you who live in an apartment and don't have your own washing machine, so you have to use either a community washing machine in the building or you have to go out to a laundromat. Those community washing machines can get quite grungy, and I encourage you to wipe it down, to wash it out before you put your clothing in there. Now, you may say, it is not my job to clean the washing machines at the laundromat. No, it is not your job to do that, but it is your job to make sure that your family has clean clothes. And what you don't want is to end up with clothes coming out dirtier or stinkier than when they went in. So something as simple as this Pure Sense, or something as simple as white vinegar. You can clean the washing machine out and clean those gaskets out with a cloth and some vinegar before you do your laundry. I'm just saying. People may look at you like you're a little bit crazy, but you know, maybe you are a little bit crazy about the health and hygiene of your family. What are your laundry challenges? Tell me in the comment section below, and maybe next time we're in the laundry lab, I'll be answering one of your laundry challenges. For more tips from the laundry lab, click here.